at this stop sign, we will go straight. So communicate with that driver. Yeah. Wait, watch what's happening. Keep distance from the vehicle in front of you. You're going so close to them. Yeah. Check your surroundings and then move nicely. Okay. If you find something like that, if somebody is coming from the front and they're not stopping, so you have to wait, okay? And keep distance from the vehicle on your side, okay? Because if you will go closer to them, it's going to be hard for you to manage.